for making time for your Pilates, and we are up to day 8, and it is the spine stretch. So we're going to be in seated position, and we want our spine up nice and strong. Our feet are flexed, and we feel like we're being pulled up nice and tall. Bring our hands out in front, and we are going to put our chin on our chest and curl our spine down, coming to the forward, and then over the legs. And coming back, we're going to straighten up, nice and tall again. So you find if you have your knees bent, it's a lot easier. So chin is on the chest, and we are curling to the forward. And then coming back, uncurling, and up. So another way that I like to talk about this one is we bring our chin onto the chest, and then we are stacking our ribs on top of each other and coming to the forward. And then when we're coming back, we stack our ribs back on top of each other to come up nice and tall. We'll do one more of those. You can do this with your legs bent or straight. Up and back. Beautiful. So thank you for joining me. Look forward to spending the rest of the days with you, and as we go through March Madness, and appreciate all of the Joseph Pilates OG moves. Have a great morning, night, wherever you are in the world, and see you back here tomorrow.